Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in agricultural sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.26, with momentum at plus 0.33. This isn't just noise, it's a marked shift from the historical baseline. Given the current climate challenges, this uptick could signal a significant shift in how farmers and stakeholders perceive upcoming conditions. Our API returns nuanced sentiment insights along with 20 semantic clusters, which means you get a comprehensive view of the conversations happening around agriculture. Imagine leveraging this data to refine your crop planning strategies or investment decisions. With the right insights, you can anticipate shifts and adapt proactively. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.